Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Are you having trouble synchronizing your bank or credit card accounts in Empower? Well, let's get everything back on track. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix common sync issues with account linking. The first point is to check connection status. Go to your linked account and look for any error messages. Often the app will tell you which account needs attention. Second point is to re-authenticate the account. Now, if an account isn't updating, you want to click reconnect and then enter your bank credentials again. This refreshes the connection securely. The third point is to clear cache and to refresh data. Now, sometimes outdated data causes synchronization issues, so you want to log out, clear your browser or app cache, and then log back in to force a full refresh. The fourth point is to contact support if needed. Now, if the problem persists, you want to reach out to Empower support with the account name and error code, and they can resolve bank-side issues. Syncing is key to accurate budgeting and network tracking. Fix it now and stay on top of your finances. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.